Updating your API settings on Cassandra Cloud is essential for ensuring optimal performance and security. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Cassandra Cloud account. Access your Cassandra Cloud account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to modify API settings. Step 2. Navigate to API settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu on the dashboard. Click on the API settings option to access the configuration page where you can make updates. Step 3. Review current settings. Before making changes, review the current API settings. Take note of any configurations that may need adjustments, such as endpoint URLs, authentication methods, or rate limits. Step 4. Make necessary changes. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach triggers 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save and test changes. After making the necessary updates, click the Save button to apply the changes. It is important to test the API functionality to ensure everything is working correctly after the update. By following these steps, you can successfully update your API settings on Cassandra Cloud. Regularly reviewing and adjusting these settings will help maintain the efficiency and security of your applications.